And you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Going to log in. Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to provide you with your login and your password. You might want to go ahead
Yep.
and take note of
Yep.
this because you're going to need it every time you log in.
Okay, I'm writing it down.
So it is I State Logistics Services at abc.com.
At abc.com?
Yes, ma'am.
abc.com. Okay, I'm writing it down. So I State Logistics Services at abc.com. I State Logistics.
With an S, okay. Services with an S as well at abc.com.
Okay.
And then your password is client, CLIENT.
Okay.
And then click on to sign in.
Okay.
Okay, so do you see where it reads, I accept the user agreement and privacy policy? Can you fill in that bubble and then click onto the red agree?
Yep.
Okay, great. So this is our first page. It's called our dashboard screen. Do you see the green circle that's in the middle of the page?
Yes.
This is your open aging. So any invoice that's waiting payment from the broker that's highlighted in green has been open 0 to 30 days.
Okay.
Anything highlighted in yellow, 31 to 60. Anything in pink, 61 to 90. And anything highlighted in red is over 90 days.
Okay.
If you go to the left of the circle, it'll read total, and then you'll be able to see the number range. If you click onto 0 to 30, you'll be able to view that you have 3 invoices that have been advanced to your company and we're awaiting payment from the broker.
Okay. All right.
Okay, can you X out of there for me, please?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so just below that is our credit check. MC, this is where you would check the broker's credit to see if they're approved in our system. I'm going to provide you with 2 examples so that you're able to view what an approved broker and what an unapproved broker. So can you type in
296020?
Correct, and then click onto the red search bar. So the system is telling you that there's no record found, and what that means is that there's not enough information on this broker for us to make an accurate credit check. So you can go ahead and bill the broker directly, but at this time we can't purchase the invoice.
So anytime there's no record found, you guys can't purchase their invoice.
Correct. What you can do is you can request for a release letter so that we can inform the broker that they are okay to go ahead and pay you directly.
Okay, and then so the first step is check. If there's no records found, we request for a release letter.
Correct, so that you can bill the broker directly.
And then do we submit that letter to you, or that's just the interaction between us and the broker?
No, you just submit the request to me, and then I'll go ahead and forward that so that the broker is made aware, so that once you go ahead and submit, they're aware that the payments, we're not interested in the payments, that they go directly to you.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, now can you type in 322572?
Okay.
Okay, now click on to next. So the system is letting you know that it's an approved broker and that we would purchase the invoice. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and book a load, you would click on to add. So when you're creating the invoices, this broker will appear on your broker list. So once you hit add, the system will give you a notification letting you know that the broker was added to your list.
Okay.
Okay, so just below that, it reads schedule of invoices and fuel advances. We offer fuel advances, and how that works is you would go ahead and upload the unsigned bill of lading and the rate confirmation, and you'll receive 40% of the invoice. Once you go ahead
Okay, so from here, so let's say we get a load today. We go here to where the, you know, the scheduled invoices. So the next step would be to upload the unsigned bill of lading.
No, for here, what the dashboard does is it just notifies you.
Oh, it just shows that we had did that already. That will let us know what was. Oh, okay.
So it'll let you know that there's a fuel advance that's awaiting the invoice,
Okay.
which is the signed bill of lading, or it'll let you know that there's a schedule for one. So the dashboard screen is just for informative information. How many invoices are open for the broker? Is that broker approved in our system? Below where the fuel advances says potential invoices to be charged back. We have an excellent collections team that works really hard to make sure none of the invoices are charged back.
Okay.
If for some reason we're unable to contact the broker, this is where you'll view the notification that there's a potential chargeback, so that you can go ahead and contact the broker, contact St. Capital, so that we can go ahead and provide the broker what's necessary to avoid the chargeback.
Okay, gotcha. So this is just another monitoring system to, you know, just so you would have a just a detailed, accurate account of your invoicing.
Right, so that you're aware and up to date on what's going on your account. You have access to everything that we have access to as well.
Okay.
So just below that, it says St. John Capital closed holidays. So these are the holidays we will not be in the office, and we will not be purchasing or paying out any schedules that day.
Okay.
So our next day off is the 19th of February for President's Day.
Okay, so pretty much we know that day is a shutdown day. So if we, let's say we submitted something on the 18th, it wouldn't be processed until the 20th, pretty much.
Now there's a cutoff time. We have a cutoff time of 12 o'clock Eastern, 11 o'clock Central. So if we're closed on the 19th, but you submitted all of your invoices before 12 o'clock Eastern, you will be funded.
Okay, so you guys cut off time for all funding, and you guys do next day funding?
Correct. We do same day funding. We can fund a fuel card, or we can do next day ACH to your bank account.
Okay, but just so we know, the cutoff time to get all invoicing to you guys for just standard next day funding is 12 o'clock noon.
Correct.
For you to see it the next day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, can you scroll up and go click onto the next tab? It's going to read Get Paid.
Okay.
So this is the tab where you would actually create the invoice.
Okay.
So underneath where it says cash advances, do you see where it reads Get Paid for the second time?
Yes. Wait a minute. Yep,
Okay,
right here.
so click, yes ma'am, and click onto where it says cash on delivery invoices, the very first line. And a gray box is going to appear for you.
Okay.
This is how you create the invoice. So do you see where it says payment type?
Mm-hmm.
You choose your method of payment. If you want ACH, it's next day funding for a $10 fee. Wire, same day funding for a $25 fee. Fuel card is through a third party. We can send you an application, and if you're approved, we can also fund your fuel card, and it works like an ACH where you'll receive funding the next business day into your account.
Okay, so ACH is $10 next day. Wire is $25 for next day, and then the fuel for wire is same day.
Correct.
So same day.
And fuel card is free of charge, but you'll receive the funding like an ACH the next business day.
Okay, it's free, and then that's next day.
Correct, and it's not per invoice; it's per schedule. So you can have one invoice on that schedule, or you can have
50 on it.
invoices
Okay.
on the schedule, and it's going to be the same price.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, so next you would choose the customer. That's the broker off of the reconfirmation. So right now at this moment you have 3 brokers assigned to you. But once you go ahead and you keep checking their credit through our MC Broker MC Check, and they're approved, and you add them, then you'll be able to view them here.
Okay.
Just like earlier we added Total Quality.
Mm-hmm.
You can continue to do so as you go ahead and work with more brokers.
Okay.
So the invoice number, it auto-generates, so that can be bypassed. and you would go to the load number that you would get off of the rate confirmation as well.
Okay.
The invoice date also auto-generates, so that can bypass, and then you put the invoice amount off of the rate confirmation as well.
Okay. So load number and an invoice amount comes off the rate confirmation.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, so next it says in one PDF, scan attach the items listed below in the following order. So what you would do is you would go ahead and scan the rate confirmation, the bill of lading, any lumper or detention receipt, and you would scan it into one PDF.
Okay.
And then you would save it to your desktop. So then you would click on to choose file, and you would upload the correct documents, and then you would click on to save so that you can create your next invoice.
Okay, so you would choose file, and once it uploads, it'll probably say attach and then hit save, and then it'll be there.
Correct.
Okay.
And then, so if you have 5 invoices you want to submit for that day for payment, then you would go ahead and do this process 5 separate times.
Gotcha. Alrighty.
So once you go ahead and you create all of the invoices in the Get Paid tab through this gray box here, can you click onto the X for me?
Yep.
You would then go to where it reads filter.
Okay.
And you would go to the first line that says not submitted cash on delivery. At the moment, you're not going to be able to view a schedule because we didn't create an invoice. But
Okay.
once you start creating the invoices and you go to filter not submitted, you'll be able to view your schedule for that date.
Okay.
If everything looks correct on this page, there's going to be a white box in front of each invoice. You would click onto the box, and the system is going to have a drop down that's going to tell you submit to get paid. You click onto the submit to get paid, and you will no longer view the schedule because we would receive it on our end for funding.
Okay. So I'm going to go back. So after the invoices are entered, you go to filter, and then you click the not submitted cash on delivery. That's going to generate all the invoices that you have prepared to submit to you guys. Once you see, once you see the white box for each one on the filter screen, then you click on the white box.
Yes, ma'am.
And then pretty much that's releasing them from us and saying to you, okay, we want you guys, these are the invoices that we want you guys to purchase.
Right. So next to where it says print, the delete button will appear once you click onto that white button, and a submit to get paid will appear. So you click onto the submit to get paid, and it'll pull the entire schedule to our advanced team so they can pay out the schedule if it's approved.
Okay. So pretty much everything, like, so whatever I submit today, and you be like, I guess that's giving you the option. So let's say I did 6 of them today, and when I go to this screen, if I only wanted to submit 3 of them, now I'll click on that white box and hit submit to get paid, and then the rest will stay here until I'm ready for it to get paid, until I want to submit it.
Correct.
Okay. Okay, and that releases them to you guys. Okay. That releases the schedule. Okay.
Okay, so if for some reason we received your schedule and let's say one of the invoices was missing documents, you'll receive an email notification letting you know that the load number was denied, was not approved, and it was sent back to your pending. So you would go to pending cash on delivery invoices, which is the second line.
Okay.
And you'll see the invoice that was returned back to you, and it'll be highlighted in blue. If you click onto the schedule number, the notes will appear for you informing you on what needs to be corrected, so you can go ahead and correct it and then resubmit the invoice for payment.
Okay, so pretty much when there's a problem, we're going to come to the screen, hit pending. There'll be, when you click on whatever invoice is here, it will have notes to let you know what you need to do.
Right, so when you go to the filter, the pending, you'll see just the highlighted invoice in blue. You would have to click onto the schedule number itself, and then the notes will populate for you, instructing you like it's missing the bill of lading or the rate confirmation wasn't clear. Can you please upload a clearer copy? So you just go ahead from that